Hello guys, good morning. It's 8th of February 2024. It's Thursday. We're looking at Euro USD. We just hit the New York Midnight Open with a violent movement downwards as usual. We created equal highs here, as we can see. We are in the 5-minute time frame right now. So we're waiting to find some opportunity to trade. This looks like a 2022 model. So this fair value gap that has been created, it could mean that it's a sell. We just opened also in London, so it's a good time to sell, but we have to see the higher time frames in order to see where we're going in general. So I'm not gonna rush any trades. So I have some Fibonacci here in this area. The greater Fibonacci tool suggests that we are almost in 50%. Let's see that. As you can see, yes, we have almost hit the 50% level. So for sure this is a target. So if we actually will hit it, I predict that price will go up until here. So this is a level that we will put right now. Potential target. Why here? Because this is a bearish order block. This is an area of reaction for price, you know. So potential target. So yesterday I did a mistake and I paid for it. I traded at the afternoon, where my trading rules suggest that I shouldn't, and I paid it. So we had a big loss yesterday afternoon. Even so, I am still in profit in the challenge. I had two positions here, so it's almost 74 euros, but it's okay. I shouldn't do it. The problem is that I do it also in real live account. So I also had some small loss here. So this is the trades that I did yesterday morning, all blue, and the red are the afternoon trades. So it's like whatever I want and a little more I lost. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so it looks like a good 2022 model, and we're going for this target, this sell side liquidity. Let's put Fibonacci here. So 50% here is this target. So how many pips are that? 61.8. It's optimal trade entry. 50% is here. It's too small. It's 4 pips. But from here, for here, until here, I mean, are 20 pips. So actually I'm gonna sell. And I am in the live account. So this is my first trade, because I see very good 2022 model for selling. We have this fair value gap. We test again with lower high, with a lower high. So we are in the area of the optimal trade entry. And here I will again put another position. The stop loss over here, 78.91. Stop loss 78.91. Why? Eight and one. There you are. So I'm risking 10 euros here, 20 euros for the both positions almost. 78.91. Yes, okay, so I had it in profit. That's why. So I'm putting only my stop loss, and you see exactly, yes, it's a very clear 2022 model setup. I haven't seen news or anything else. I just enter, and yes, this is, as I see, it's a very clear setup. I had confirmations that we are in the optimal trade entry area. We just took buy side liquidity here, sell side liquidity here with the New York midnight open, also with a violent way. Yep, we're going down. Where? Here. This is the target. 75.57. You see, this is, yes, this is what I want to see. 75.57. Okay, so I'm going for $40. $75.57. Yep. Okay, this is for the live account. I'm gonna journal my trades. Yep. Very clear. Very happy actually with my trade, even if it was fast. Let's see, for sure, we'll never know, but always journal everything. It has helped me a lot. And also we have some news. Another prop firm has gone down, the funded engineer. So I am with the funded trader. So guys, that's why this is a very important. When you have a 20-year-old running a prop firm, it doesn't have the experience to do it. So prop firms are a little bit weird. You have to go with the very serious ones and the ones that stand in time, because they stand in time for some reason. So trade 1, 2 positions. Sorry for the keyboard. 8. So we are here in Theo market. Which I haven't done an envelope. Great. Okay, let's go to. I am actually okay. Haven't done. I didn't put the position in the challenge. Okay, let's see if I have still 0.5. As soon as it touches the 61.8. Yes, here. I'm not putting a limit order because you see, as soon as it touches the 61.8, it has a reaction for the price of the price. I'm ready to sell in the challenge. This is the candle that will create this fair value gap here. As soon as it goes there, yes. So why I entered? Here we have a break of market structure in a bearish way. This body broke this level, and it's also the New York Open. So usually when you have the New York Open, most of the times we continue to the next liquidity pool. So I believe that we will go upper, but now it's the fake move of London that we're going lower. I believe we will continue the movement for in New York upwards to fill this gap here. This is a magnet. You have to fill it as price so that it has fair value. Fair value in this area, it's here, 50%. So price needs to go upper. So why now it's going down? Because it's London, it's at morning, and you still have New York to go down, to go up. So 50% is the first target, but now I might have missed. I mean, this is one signal, second signal, third signal, maybe fourth, but now I am kind of low, even if I still believe that it will go lower for now, at least up until here. Okay. Yes. Okay, I am entering. I entered. Actually, stop loss is here. 0.5 lot. 78.49. In this area, we have also relatively equal highs ready to be taken. Equal lows, sorry. What does that mean? That means that market has been creating liquidity for the bigger orders to be able to do their position, because when you have big institutional orders that want to enter the market, you cannot do it without liquidity. So there is a manipulation in the market so that the orders can be filled. This is the idea, this is the philosophy, which is for sure controversial for some, but I see it every single morning taking place. So my target is here. Let's take back all that we have lost with a silly mistake yesterday. 72. Okay, so this is the target. First 75, 31. Yes, I don't believe we will go. 50. 75.50 is also a round number. It's a bank number. Here it's 91 euros. This will be very good. And I will exactly have taken my money back from yesterday in this challenge at least. So you see how price continues lower. There is a pattern that could be it. 1, 2, 3, the 3 Indians, but they are not like very close so that they suggest that this is a pattern, but it looks like that's it. But so as you can see here much more clearly, from here this high and these lows, we went almost to 50%, so in fair value. Okay, so almost. And these are actually relatively equal highs. So that's why he stated at first, but then I saw momentum and volume in candles here, here and here, because this is a clear pattern of 20,022 model. You see this fair value gap, it tested. We have market structure, we have buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, boom boom. So here we are going lower. So let's see how that will unfold. Here we are both positions in profit. I care actually more for the live account. Let's delete, sorry. Yes, this goes out. Let's clean the screen. Here we are, continuing lower with momentum. I haven't seen even the economic calendar, but this is a good trade, I feel, at least for now. So 20 and 20 is 40 euros. So I will be up. And then I will start trading actually. So let's see the chart. I don't see the chart. Let's have a disclaimer. Because for sure, guys, this is not financial advice. If you like what you see, which is boring, but you know, this is trading. But actually, yes, this is trading. Okay, when you see patterns unfold, when you have predicted the price, this is, you know, when hard work pays. I love it. so far is what I want to see. Going down. So we are profitable in both accounts. I haven't risked a lot, which I'm actually proud of it, because now I have it's going down fast. As I'm going as a trader, I manage my risk more responsibly. This is the difference of the pros, so I'm trying to go there, to be there. This is the most crucial thing. If you manage the risk, you know what is your risk, so you don't have emotions. When you have emotions, you play with emotion, you trade with emotion, so you do mistakes, you do errors. Like yesterday, because I shouldn't even touch my phone, but I saw a very clear setup, but price going to go upper in the higher time frame to have fair value. So we see, I'm gonna screenshot this perfect trade so far, at least. As during, I always trade, I always general my trades before, during, and after. And I use as a trading journal TradeZilla. I recommend it. Unbelievably good trading journal. You have all you need, everything you need. So we almost touched here. So for sure this is might be good. Yeah, I should have risked more so that I can have partial profits. Equal lows. I love it. Exactly here. You see that this is algorithmic. Okay, this is not by accident. Just that's it. Just take the stop orders from here. So one station here, one station, 1, 2, 3, 4 stations, at least. At least, because another thing that made me take this trade is that in this area, it's an optimal trade entry. So since we have breaking market structure in this area, but okay, let's delete last, because MetaTrader and its drawing, it's a nightmare, as I say in every stream. I prefer trading view. So actually here is a normal trade entry, and this is my live account, right? So this is a very safe target, the 50% also. I'm gonna sell more here. I'm gonna reduce my stop loss to here for the first position. 78.8. So I'm risking 50. I'm risking a lot here. but it's kind of a very good setup. So in the 15-minute, yeah, it has created a fair value gap, which it will touch it afterwards. So one of two positions, I will make it let's see, the Fibonacci, this is the 15-minute time frame. Yes, we are good from execution point of view that here is a sell in terms of optimal trade entry. 0.79 and 0.705, it's a very good area. Target at least the 50%, and then you see where you can go from there. So I will put, okay, so how many pips are this in the second position? Sorry. 13 pips. Okay. Sorry. I'm gonna put the same target. Initial trade. You always have equal lows here, so they are target also. It's Thursday also. This is a thing that you have to consider where you are at the weekly. So this is the weekly candle. Unbelievable. You see the precision of the price exactly to this bullish order block. It found support here. This will have exactly equal low, and in terms of Fibonacci in this area, I always use Fibonacci tool to see where we are in price. We are under 50%, so it doesn't have, it hasn't touched yet 38.2%. It almost went there. That's why I lost a trade for 2 pips actually here. Okay, so let's see where we are in the 15-minute time frame. If it goes up, here is a sell again, because it's the 15-minute time frame and it's very strong. Let's see the economic calendar. Okay. ICT has begun he began he started the 2024 Robbins Cup officially with his first trade. Okay, they still don't believe him. It's unbelievable. Guys, the guy is a genius. Just accept it. Just accept. You cannot put all this material and be a fraud or something like that. ICT is a genius. Just accept it. Study him. You will be great. For sure. I'm wondering who is watching right now. I have one viewer. Also, tell me if you like these Peter Stone effects in my screen. If I have it, I'm not sure if that turns red, because the first color of Peter Stone effects live trading is red, but with white it turns blue. So I try to no, okay. So I try to make it appear all the time as red, but I couldn't in OBS with the blending mode. Okay, so I stick with that. In the 15 we have created equal loss ready to be taken. So what both positions here are in profit. I'm risking 20 euros and going for 1 to 2 to 1. Yes, this area is very important to see. So 6th of February we had 2 days ago in Tuesday. So this is the weekly low. So we might have the weekly high right here. This is the week. Monday. Monday and Tuesday we created an unbelievably close equal lows. So this is the area so far for the week. So you have to decide if it will go up or down. So this candle tells me that we are not going to get upper. But this break of market structure here, this surpassing this high is significant, because we also surpassed this fair value gap here and this imbalance in price. So we also have surpassed this repricing, and we are here in this, in the end of the gap. So for sure this right now price will have a reaction downwards as a resistance zone of the end of this huge movement. listing. Also, here is the start of the month. So for sure, right now we have a monthly high. We came here with two equal lows. We have to decide if the month of February will go lower or higher. So right now in a monthly candle, which is this whole thing here, this is the 2nd of February. This is the 1st of February. So according to the power of 3, here is the accumulation. Manipulation so far, but even if this seems distribution, the third part of the power of 3, we are still in 8th of February. We still have like 20 days to go. So for sure this looks like the first accumulation phase, and then we probably go lower since we have also this equal lows. This is very interesting because I just realized it. So if here is the month, down here, some kind of resistance here, and some small trial to go up with small orders, as you see. It's not like this movement because we are in a downtrend from 27th of December, 29th of December. Consolidation phase at the start of January. We couldn't surpass this high in a significant way, and we are continuing lower. Here also we have equal. Okay, I just realized it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Third equal 1, 2, 3 is the almost end of this gap. So this will break at some point. Yes, so in the daily, the bigger from September, this is the first semester, the last quarter of the year actually. And here market shows signs of not willing to continue the uptrend that started in September. So in terms of Fibonacci, as you can see, in the quarter, so this is now we're doing macroeconomic analysis, technical analysis, not fundamental. Oh my god. Okay, here is an optimal trend entry for the quarter, for the target to go here and break these lows to go to 1.041. So for me the bigger target, I have analyzed again before, that euro will go to 1004. So in the microeconomic area, we'll go to the 5-minute time frame, and here is again another sell. We're in the real accounts, and yes, actually I'm gonna take it with a smaller stop loss. Because we haven't reached the 50 equal lows here. just a little bit. Let it go higher. As soon as it touches here, I'm gonna sell more. Boom. Stop loss 78.24. As I said before, is almost the same trade. 3 positions. It's kind of big risk, but generally I feel confident in this trade. Let's see. If this is a reversal, it's a small reversal bullish order block here after swing low, but this swing low, as we said, has equal lows behind it. It hasn't reached this sell side liquidity. So I feel very confident that now we will start going up, down. But let's see. I'm not risking anymore. This is the challenge now. And this is the real one. So now, yes, you see the sign. We're in the 5 minute. Let's go to the 1 minute. Here's the fair value gap and the mitigation block. Mitigation block is this area. Price goes there and will continue go down. I'm selling again, and this stop loss will be here, 78.1. I have 4 positions right now selling. Let's see if I will lose them all. Which is okay, but as I have said in real account, I am a little bit more aggressive. Even I should do the opposite, but now the circumstances are actually to be a little more aggressive. Here. Let's see. I see volume upwards. Time is 11 o'clock in London session, Thursday, which is always important. Where we stand in terms of day, month, day, and hour. I don't like these equal highs that have been created here, or relatively equal highs. Okay, a little bit lower here, so that might suggest that price is not willing to go up, as we can see the reaction now. Let's journal. Let's journal the trades. This is small, good, a better. Oh my God, English. Sorry. A better image of the trades as a whole. For positions. My setup, as you can see, suggests that this is a very good setup. This is a very good trade. So yes, you see the reaction. It touched this fair value gap, and price is going down with dynamic. I like this candle that surpassed this one. It suggests that it's a bearish order block. We might have a fair value gap, and then price touches it and then go straight down. Yes, I like that. I feel very confident in this trade. Let's see. I would sell more, but I'm actually risking a lot in the challenge. Might leave one position to run lower, but let's see how it will unfold. I will decide later. This is what I'm thinking now. If I will let it run up until here and be very optimistic about it. Here I have a better position, so all of my positions right now are in profit, but that doesn't mean anything. So this is a fair value gap that has been created. It's also from here. So I'm expecting here that I have had this position also to touch it, for the price to touch this gap and go straight lower. So maybe here I will take some partial profits. Or close some of the position. We'll see. I'm trying to see the chart. Yes, you see the reaction right now of the price. As expected, it touched this level gap. You see it, boom. Okay. You see This is ICT concepts, guys. Okay. I haven't created. I love it. The guy is a genius. End of story. You just have to figure it out. I started this challenge, this live stream, think that I'm gonna put also my own strategies and stuff. As soon as I saw a clear 20,022 model and it worked perfectly, after that I started reconsidering things and that I should study ICT even more, even if I am studying for 1 year and a half, almost 2 years now. And I'm training, I believe this is the third year. So I just now have started finding consistently in my profits. I mean, this week is all green, except yesterday afternoon, which I did a very stupid mistake. I traded in the afternoon because during work I cannot have a clear analysis of the market, but I thought it was a very clear setup and I placed it. It's okay. This is a learning process and it's a marathon. Let's see a little bit that I haven't seen anything from the economic calendar. Okay, so the training community has been shocked from the collapse of the prop firms. It was my Forex fund, then my true Forex funds, and then now funded engineer. Okay, now this is a little bit interesting. So I was watching Twitter because the collapse of these pro firms are shocking a little bit. Okay, so we have a scenario that this fair value gap now, the bullish one, might turn price up. So let's see what will go on. We also have here that I like. If surpasses this fair value gap, it will be very good and I have to manage the trades actually. And always hedging is a solution, but we'll see. I don't like the volume of these candles. In 3:30 we have high impact news for the dollar. Not now. I'm not gonna trade it and I feel very good about it. Yes, we have a very good reaction from this candle. Yes, it's bleeding, it's going down. So I have opened 4 positions in the live account, but it's one trade. I'm just adding my position. And I am anticipating that this area will act as a mitigation block, as an area of resistance, and also this fair value gap. Even if I see volume in this one now, I hope it doesn't hit my stop loss because of this fair value gap and this that's here. Let's see. The thing is, okay, if this 50% of this area is here, we haven't reached the exact point of 50%. And if it goes afterwards up, okay, we reached in this area. Okay, so let's see, let's manage it. 50% from here was the target, it hit it, and we might go up. I don't like it now. Now I don't like it. Let's see how price will react in this bearish order block, because this still is a bearish order block. Okay. Let's see. I like this push downwards in this candle. It's a tough situation. We might go up because we actually reached the 50% of the 15 of this area and the 15 time frame. I have faith in this area and this bearish order block. As you can see, candle down, candle up, and then dynamic out. So this is a bearish order block. So this area is a strong one. For sure, it can also go and reach here. So I will just move my stop loss here. So now I'm increasing risk by a lot, 8, 9, and 10. So that I won't be stopped out. I like that this candle hasn't surpassed this one. Of course, they are relatively equal highs. So no, they're actually not. Are they? I don't believe that it will surpass this block. If it will, it means probably means that we are going up. Let's see what happens. I like this volume, pushing it lower. This is very significant actually. Okay, it jumped upwards, but many times this means that afterwards we continue down. Here is undecidable. Let's see, nothing has been, okay, I like that a lot actually. Good. Okay, we might escape the danger. 61.8 area, still an optimal trade entry. I like this small fair value gap that has been created. No, from the bodies of the candles, it has been created here as a very small gap from here to here. these gaps, guys, are very significant. I'm watching it closely right now. Let's see how much power it has. Good, it doesn't have that much power here as volume. This wants to go up. Let's see. Yes, I like that. Yes, I like that very much. I believe, this sign looks that we have escaped the danger of going up and using this fair value gap as a bullish trend. Now here is a point of resistance and a mitigation block in the micro way of thinking things. We are in the 1 minute time frame. Same rules applies for every time frame. So this candle tries to surpass it. I don't see much volume, but there is a trial there. Okay, it has surpassed it. Yes, it has surpassed. Okay, let's see. So next, okay, this has volume, this area. Let's see, this is a struggle actually. I like this candle. Because we still haven't surpassed this high and this high. So the whole activity is underneath this area. Okay, now if we have another candle upwards here, it means that it's a bullish order block. I don't like that actually. No, this I like. Okay, we're going under. If it's under, that means that this candle doesn't act as a bullish order block. Up, down, and then up. If it's going down, it means that this area, yes, is strong. Price. I like the volume. Let's continue the volume. Yes, these drops are very significant also to show the willingness for the direction of price. Yes. Yes, now I like it very much. The whole idea now, the whole image is bearish. Also, we have created another fair value gap. Okay, yes. Yep. So let's see. I am afraid only this pair I got here. But this is a very good 2022 model, going lower. We also have these equal lows to be taken, or relatively equal lows. So what happened here? We created liquidity because market showed a willingness to go up, so many stop orders were here, and now price going to hit them. This is the idea. And as Scruffy Trader says, Scruffy likes his coffee, so let's have some more coffee. Okay, so just a minute to charge my phone. So we have some buyers here that push candle up. This candle here shows that they are buyers here. Let's see. Let's see some other currencies. Okay, USD and JPY, the Japanese yen, created a huge fair gap here. Price just touched it. Now it's going to break this market structure. Okay, interesting. have a wedge here. And here, if you draw a trend line that I have, this is actually the currency that I was seeing, and I was thinking, okay, maybe trend lines work. Of course, in MetaTrader, this is the worst thing to do. Try to draw something. Whatever you want is very difficult. But here, you never actually had a chance to confirm, to go lower and confirm the breakout, and then go up. But you still see a very clear breakout of this trend line. You don't always have confirmations. So whoever is trading with the trend lines, if he didn't go straight bullish, maybe here. This is a confirmation to go and catch this move. Thinking in the way of retail traders do. Okay, now we are okay. I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. Okay, let's see. As I said, we reached the 50%, and I thought here it was the 50%. Let's see why I made a mistake. Okay, so the 50% of this area. So this is actually the last frontier. We might lose this trade. Let's see. Here is the bearish order block. You can see also the candles. Lower, upper, lower with volume and surpassing it. This is a bearish order block. So here we see price having a reaction to it. If it surpasses it, means I probably lost the trade. So here actually it's the most, I believe, significant. I don't know if it will go upper and retest this fair value gap. If it will, it means I have lost the trades actually. But I was watching the higher time frame. Yeah, so until here we can go. It will be a big loss right now. Because I was watching the 15-minute time frame. And here it was an optimal trade entry. If it passes it, then I will lose the trade actually. Okay, actually, if I'm seeing the higher time frame, price can go backwards for sure up until here. But now I see great volume upwards. Okay, it means that I lost the trade. So We are back in a small drawdown. If I lose the trades for the challenge, but I care actually more for the live account, which I haven't risked a lot, so I am good. It's only minus 22. Okay, so here is the fair value gap that we don't want to surpass. Okay, so in this area, the 50%, which is the most usual target, yes, it has been surpassed, yes. I measured the higher time frame and I was very confident. Okay, that was a mistake, because this target has been reached. And as soon as I saw this swing low, and this fair value gap, this is a bullish sign. We are still hoping now that the higher time frames will take place. And the higher time frames with two equal lows here suggests that we are going down. So let's see which will prevail, because here we have a clear signal for going down. I liked very much that this candle hasn't been, this high hasn't been surpassed. So I'm still hopeful actually that we haven't lost trades. Up until here, you have the price has the right, even up until here has the right actually to go in the higher time frame according to optimal trade entry theory. Which is here. We went to 0.79, we went to optimal trade entry, we touched it. So it can has a retracement for a short. Okay, so the coffee is ready. I will be right back in 2 minutes. I'm actually happy that I didn't close it. I still have hope that this fair value gap will be of significance. And I like the fact that this candle didn't surpass this high. This is very important. I love it actually. It means that I did the right move and moved my stop losses from here, because in the 15 time frame, which is also an optimal trade entry, and we reach this area, price has the right to have a retracement and then go back up until here. So we'll move again. Great. So let's see. Let's see if you will all watch me being stopped out as I am away for the coffee, or actually we will have a dynamic move downwards, hopefully hitting the target here, because the 50% of the 15 minutes is here, which is the actual target that I wanted to have. Why? Because in general bias I am bearish. So 50% is here. So we are still in the trade actually. Another fair value gap here has formed. Not a good sign, but this lower high is a hopeful sign. Or else it means that the lower time frame was in play. So in lower time frame we hit the 50% and then we're going up. We also have to think that later in New York we have high impact news. So if they have decided to turn price higher, or maybe, sorry, lower, that would be the first fake move. Then we have the second higher move so that they can sell from a higher price and then turn price with a very dynamic way to those lows down here. So this might be the scenario because I don't like this candle at all. So I might close the trades, at least in my live account. Okay, now we have. Oh, okay. I think I will lose the trade. These are equal highs that will break. No, I put a lot of risk in my challenge. But actually, if funny trader will go down also, it doesn't matter much. I like these candles. Interesting. This is not an equal, but it's a relative equal. Okay, have to go. Be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. So we saw a significant move downwards with a big volume candle suggesting that we are going down, but I'm still haven't been convinced. We see now upper volumes. Also we have in like 4 minutes from now Spain news for euro of a medium impact. So you saw me move these stop losses because for me this is the last frontier. If price surpasses this level, it means I lost it and it's okay. I want to confirm that if I have my same stop loss here also in the real trading account. I just have here these two equal highs, and for sure you see it now that's passing by. Okay, breaking. So it could reach up until here and then move downwards. We'll see. I mean, now we also have news, so this could be a retracement for them to sell out, but it's not high impact. Let's see. It could mean that we are going for a little while upwards and then go lower. So nothing is being confirmed here. Maybe that was the first move of London and then we are going up. Still it's not clear. For sure these equal low highs as predicted are breaking. You will see a pump here, boom. Yep, that's it. Obvious. So I might have lost the trade. I might have lost the trade. Let's see. I still have confidence in this fair value cap. The price to do this high and then go down. We have 1 minute from 45 seconds from news. So it broke this sell side liquidity, and maybe that's enough for the price to continue lower, because as I said, looking at the 15 time frame, I don't like this candle here. Here we have buying pressure, but for sure looking at this area, the 15 time frame from Tuesday, we have reached the optimal trade entry area. So this is the actual target in this area, if it's indeed an optimal trade entry. So price has the right to go up until here. It has the right to go up until here. We just see now big momentum upwards. Might want to take this buy side liquidity and then go lower. Let's see. So I will have lost trades. I see momentum actually here upwards, but this is a very bearish signal. This one is a very bearish signal. Let's see the news. They haven't been revealed yet. It's consumer confidence for Spain. for the month of January. In 3.5 hours, we have high impact news for dollar. This move before news many times means that we are setting the price up so that we can sell from a higher point of view, point of price, of a higher price. So for sure, if this area will be surpassed, I will have lost the trade and that's it. We are waiting a big drawdown in the things seem that we're going down in a dynamic way. Maybe I should have seen it in the only the 1 minute time frame, but you never know. I see signals of tiredness here. Sorry guys, give a moment. And I'm back again. Sorry. This maybe no, it could be a bullish order block in the micro scale. Let's see this candle, what it will do. Yes, I can see it going down. I have stopped actually hedging my positions because I have seen that it doesn't work that much, and you have to be all day long your maybe 2 days. Okay, this is repricing. This might be a fake breakout for this more consolidation box. Let's see here. This is very interesting. But if we are in a buy model, so it's after 12, 7 minutes after 12. I like that actually. I like this candle actually. If in the end I will win those trades, it will be a roller coaster, as trading is, but it will also signal the fact that I am sticking to my strategies. Didn't stop everything, just move my stop losses accordingly, because the actual indeed frontier is this one. If it breaks, yes, we are actually going up. So this seems like a Judas swing. And I was caught up like a Judas swing to continue upwards. So we can also have, as I said when we started, the scenario that this blank, this gap must be filled. In many cases, when we have big drop down like that, market slowly goes up, very slowly. So I might decide that in these cases, next week of these drop downs, I will not trade. Let's see. Because I should have stopped in the 15-minute time frame of the 1 minute. The 15% of the Fibo of the 1 minute time frame. Let's see. I don't like this candle at all. We have a small gap here between the bodies of the candle, which is very good. We see now doesn't really have the power to go up, as we see, but it's undecidable. I will have a haircut soon, in 2 hours from now, so hopefully it'll be more representable. Okay, I like this candle very much. This actually might be another sell. have sold very low here in the challenge, but I will not risk right now anything else. In the real account, where is my target profit? Yes, I like that. I am in my real account right now, and I'm thinking to sell one more from this guy. Yes, this significant signal lower. I like this formation here. It shouldn't surpass this level. Price shouldn't surpass this level. Let's see, this is interesting. It shouldn't surpass this one because I see it as a bullish order. Yes, you see the reaction of the price. I see it as a bearish order block. I will actually sell here. Now, mitigation block, resistance, and down. In the micro scale, boom, boom, boom. After this sell, we have also these equal lows. This is risky. I take it, and I have my stop loss here, 78.56. Stop loss. Yes, why? 78.57. Why? Because we have spread €6 to take at least, yes, as I predicted, exactly. We have a drop. 27.37. This is the target now, which is 76.85. €26 here. I'm gonna general this trade also. Yes, break of market structure, fair value gap here. I have 5 positions right now. Yes, in my real account, actually it's not much money, it's like €50 or something, but in terms of the amount of the account I have, it's a big risk. All red except my last position. Also I added the challenge 78.57. We have a sell maker model. Yes, probably yes, I believe so. This is a very good signal that suggests me that this candle, yes. I sell one more. I am quite aggressive. 75. Yes, I'm aggressive. Hey, that's what's up. Yes, and so far it seems that I was right, and again we're kind of in profit. I'm gonna have here partial profit, 26.85. Let's see in the macro scale. Two positions. I have 5 positions here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sell mode. This is sell mode. So you see the live decisions you have to make. Nothing is confirmed yet. We still have this fair value gap. Maybe this is a swing to create, like mine, sell side liquidity. So this candle shouldn't surpass this level. This high didn't surpass this level. We're in a sell mode situation. I could sell more up till now. I don't like this candle. Let's see if it passes this level. We also have this fair value gap here. It touched it. Exactly the point. You see the algorithmic feeling here. Okay, it surpassed it a little bit. Next level is here. You have this candle because of this fair value gap. In this area, that was an optimal trade entry and it hit 50%. So now in the micro scale, we can go up. This candle hasn't surpassed this area. Again to the point, you see my cross. This high is reaching this body. Okay, now a small gap between these two bodies and this volume candle between might suggest that will push price higher. Exactly, pressed upwards. Volume downward, volume candle downwards. I like that. This is not an order block. They're not stick to each other. Without a wick, let's see this volume is interesting. This candle is interesting. Created a wick from the upper side, but its body, the body of this candle didn't have the power to surpass this one. This is how I read price. Yes, I'm expecting this candle to go lower. I started as a very high frequency trader, but in a demo. So in real life with brokers with a spread, cannot do that. The execution conditions in pro firms are very good. So this I could take profit from all these moves right now. In pro firms execution or in raw spreads generally. Yes. Something like consolidation here. I always like consolidations. We'll see in which direction we'll break this whole area. Yes, I see it break downwards now because we have much volume in this candle. If I had more, if I was in a drawdown right now, I would have sell in a big way with a big position with one lot. Look, this candle going down hard. I would have sell here with one lot, maybe two lots, and I will have profit from here to here. Let's go to my live account. So far, I mean, yesterday I lost 30 euros for no reason at all in my live account. Could close some positions here with small loss or some profit. For today, if I close this, I am in profit. But I want to be in profit in general from 226 that I had. I like this fair value gap that has been created. I don't like this candle at all because this week might suggest here that we reach this bullish fair value gap and we're going up. I have sold in a lower place here, so I am in a drawdown. We'll see. Here is the area that shouldn't surpass the price. The price shouldn't surpass it. Okay, now I like this candle very much. Very, very, very much. It means it has a reaction of this resistance area. We might go like that up until New York session, like for 2 or 3 hours from now. 4 hours actually. So I'm thinking to let it go and whatever happens, happens. Because I need to do stuff. I like this candle very much. As I said here, it was a bearish signal. But let's see where this thing want to go. All this movement is bullish. But this movement is bearish. So the higher time frame suggests we're going down. always trust the higher time frames. This is a sell for sure. I might risk, but I'm risking a lot. Okay, why do it? Why do it now, where I'm not that confident, even if I am actually here? This is a very good setup. Okay, let's be back again. Let's have more profits with the same positions. Right now I am almost over, okay, a little bit under 10,000. I mean, I like what I see in the higher time frames. This is the 50% of this whole movement. Of course, it's Thursday. Yes, I like that candle a lot. I don't care about that candle because it doesn't have a wick. If it had a wick, it could mean that we are indeed going upper, but I feel very confident that this is for a short term going up and then going down again, respecting this fair value gap. And you see, here it is. It even have a wick from the upper side. If it doesn't have wick, it's not strong. As you see it right now. Boom, it collapsed. And now it's a strong downwards. Now it created a wick, but this is not the wick that should suggest that we're going up. And you see it here. And you see it here, yes. Okay, so learn to read candles. It's unbelievably helpful. This is market. I started from this by instinct. I have learned like a million strategies or stuff. You just need to read candles and read the higher time frames. But for sure, ICT concepts are very, very, very helpful. So, as you saw now, I am indeed using also strategies from my own experience of price action reading. I haven't saw any or have been subscribed to any Al Brooks course, but I am suspecting from some videos that I saw that this is how he thinks also on candle patterns. Because from a candle and not other indicators, you see the volume and you can predict where price will go. Okay, so you saw that we are red in every position and we are blue right now, or green, and we are going down hard. I love it. Here, as I said, it was this repricing here is very significant. This candle here is very significant. So the only candle I'm afraid, yes, we broke it, great, I love it, we're going for profit. So I am in profit again in the challenge also, yes, right, yes. Oof, that was a big emotional roller coaster. Boom, I am closing some of my positions in the challenge. Where is that? Yeah. and I am reducing my stop loss everywhere. So I am 10,065 over in the challenge, even I was like 9,800. Here I am 20 euros over. This candle, let's see if it broke. No, it doesn't. It didn't took sell side liquidity, and this candle doesn't have a wick, but this does actually. So let's see where it will go. This is kind of a bullish order block here. Deca might close one position here just to secure some profits. Okay, 2010, because I'm afraid of a pullback. So in the short term scale, you can make thousands of decisions. Here is a significant area of support, but yes, you see here, this candle actually is testing this bullish order block in a small term. So let's see how high it will go. Right now I have secured some profits. So yes, we're going up maybe. Stop losses should be like here. Maybe here. So if I lose these stop losses, from those stop losses, I will be not even like a small loss. But I like this low. I like them a lot. They are equal, and I love it. Oh my god. Yes. Great. This position here that I took very low area, thinking that in the high time frame of 15 minutes we're going down. 75.50 I believe is the target. So in my all of my positions in the challenge are 75.50. Let's see in the real account. The 75.56. 1.1. What are you doing with your markets? All green. I'm in my money right now. Some MetaTrader stuff. And we're back. Let's see for how long. And, uh, okay guys, so this is interesting. We have a wick here that hits well, this area now will act as a resistance area, and this fair value gap also. You see me managing the trades. This is a very good reverse now. And this fair value gap, so this area for sure is very high resistance area. But you never know how low it will go. Yeah, I will leave it running actually, because in this setup I feel we're going downwards. This fairway gap here suggests that we are going up, but it's 12:47. Let's see. Consolidation with a wick underneath. So yes, I was expecting this candle actually to have that volume. I don't expect to surpass this area or this area here. Let's see what it will do. Here you see the reaction under the 61.8. And we haven't reached this 50% yet. What we actually did before. Let's see. Let's see here how it will unfold. This candle is very interesting to see what it will go and where it will go. Yes, mass volume lower. I like that. Yes. Great. As I said, as predicted exactly. I didn't expect here to surpass this area. I like that this candle has volume to surpass this bullish order block. We haven't surpassed this week, and I don't like that. I would like to surpass it, but I would like to I mean, this is my wish, not that market will do that. Great. Now, up until the mid threshold here, I believe it will go like in the middle only, but then it will find resistance and collapse from this. Exactly the mid threshold, you see how it stands there. Broke a little bit. Okay, the next level is here, but you see the trial at least for the price of where to go. I'm moving the loss here is in the challenge. Okay, boom, boom, reducing the risk. This is a big risk. Why? Oh my god, it's still 100 euros risk. I put a lot of size and I don't like that. I started very well in this area of my trading, not to risk a lot. So as I said here, this week will not surpass this area and it will go almost to the mid threshold, but it went lower than that. And now the other candle is breaking this low. It broke the bodies of the candle and it's breaking now this low also. Let's see, yes, with volume, candle with volume. Yes. Great. Difficult day. I'm in profit in my live account. 226 I began, went to 2031, down to 200, and now 226 I'm exactly right now in my money. But let's see. As I said, in optimal trade entry, when price reaches this area, as it did here, it has the right to go up until here. If it surpasses it and it's not a scenario. So now expect to go with kind of high volume, or even it will create a fair value gap here, then go up here, hit this up until here, hopefully not hit my stop losses, and go downwards. So I will let it run because I have to go for administration work. So all my targets are the same, 75.50. So 1 minute time frame has to tell you a lot. It reveals the secrets. This candle broke this consolidation, this area. It's very significant that it has broken, but we still have this support area from this bullish or blocking this fair value gap. We also almost touched, you see, the 50% of the Fibonacci, which I don't remember in which time frame it is. So it's the 15. Yes, it's the 15 time frame. So we hit again the 50%. So for sure now we will have some kind of retracement, which we actually had here up until the 61.8. So yes, now I'm expecting to this time to break it, since we are in a sell mode, as I believe that we are. I love these equal lows. 50% will break for sure. Will break. You see, 3. You see the resistance in the 50% of the 15-minute time frame. Exactly equal. Fibonacci, guys. Candles, Fibonacci, ICT. That's it. No indicators, not anything. And they're breaking. Boom. Yep, just broke. As predicted. Yes. I am lowering my stop losses. This is the resistance of the 50%. Let's see up until where it will go. In my real account, I am exactly in my money. The thing is that which is the higher? 6. Just want to secure some profits actually. Yes, significant move. This is the target now. The sell side liquidity of this area. And as I remember, yes, these are okay. So I will how much? Okay, so for sure this is an area that will break 26, yes, why not? So I managed all this movement to take it as hit. I took all this hit. I didn't lose my temper. That was very, very, very insightful. I'm expecting now to drop. For the price to drop actually. 76.86, it was my initial target. I love it. I like this candle a lot. I will let it run. We'll see. I might close it on my mobile. We'll see. For now, I am closing the live stream. Thank you guys for coming. I need to go. I hope you like the thing with the the blue thing here that's actually red. Very interesting day. Roller coaster actually. Wow. Let's see, nothing has decided yet. But for sure, να το πάμε. Τι ώρα, 2 ώρα δεν έχουμε. Μία ώρα δεν είπαμε να πάρουμε την παιδιά του. Πώς να, ώρα. Πού φεύγω, τέλος πάντων, φεύγω, πάρε πάλι την παιδιά. Okay guys, I need to go. Thank you very much. Yes. I like what I see. So, gave this signal first, a retracement, and then with volume downwards. The target is for sure these lows here. So 176.85 of my positions will be 76.85. Actually, two of my positions to be certain. So this is 8. Okay. No, price will drop for sure. We have equal lows. I'm pretty sure about it. It's very unlikely for not to go there. This is not significant. Let's see. Of course, you can always have one candle and go up and hit the losses and then cry for the rest of the day. Okay guys, I need to go. Thank you very much. If you like the video, whenever you will see it in the future, please feel free to subscribe and like. Let's see. I'm doing this journey for myself to be a better trader, and whoever I can help, for sure, that will be a good thing. Thank you very much.